Nothing much to offer. There's nothing much to take. I'm an absolute beginner. But I'm absolutely sane. As long as we're together. The rest can go to hell. I absolutely love you. But we're absolute beginners. With eyes completely open. But nervous all the same. If our love song could fly over mountains, could laugh at the ocean, just like the films, there's no reason to feel all the hard times, to lay down the hard lines. It's absolutely true. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Absolute Beginners by David Bowie. I'll show you how I'm doing it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's go. Alright, throughout the song we have 4 different parts. The first one is the intro, which in the radio version of the song you cannot hear it, but in the studio version you can hear it, and it starts with B. Okay, we are grabbing the chord of B, and here I'm doing on the C string 4th fret, then on the E string 5th fret, then back to C string 4th fret, okay, and then 3rd fret, C string open, and then on the G string 2nd fret, and after that right here I'm grabbing like this on the 2nd fret the A and E string, and I'm doing which actually the bass is doing it throughout the whole time, but because we just have one ukulele, we are trying to put all of these together. So slowly it sounds like this. Okay, and then we go to D. And after that on the 3rd fret of the E and A string. Okay, and then 2nd fret of the E string, 3rd fret of the C string, and then open. And then to imitate the bass, we are going on the 5th fret on the A and E string. And then the B chord again. And then we just strum the D chord and G, pa, 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 back to D. Ooh. Wa, pa, pa, here we go to A, and actually this is the start of the interlude. Wa pa pa woo, wa pa pa woo, and then to D. Wa pa pa woo, wa pa pa woo, then back to A. Wa pa pa woo, wa pa pa woo, to D. Wa pa pa woo, and here we start the verse. And the strumming pattern I'm doing is just down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so D to B minor, there's nothing much to offer, and then to A major 7, nothing much to take, and here to E diminished. Okay, and then G, I'm an absolute beginner, to D, and then to C, but I'm absolutely sane, to B minor, and here we have quickly E minor to A. And we start from the beginning, but on the second time the part is a little bit longer and the last line is different, so let's go through it. As long as we're together, the rest can go to hell. And here on the E diminished I like to do this. If you just move it 3 frets up, it's the same chord. 3 frets up or down, wherever you want, you can just play around with it. Okay, then back to G. I absolutely love you. Then to C. We're absolute beginners. And here we keep on going. B minor, and then again G. Eyes completely open. And here we go to F sharp. But nervous all the same, to A. And here we have again quick E minor to A. If are a love song, D, and I do this to D major 7, okay? If our love song could fly over mountain, G, and then I add the pinky again on the 4th fret of the A string. Could laugh at the ocean, B minor, and again the pinky, just like the films, to F sharp, and again. There's no reason to feel the hard times, to lay down the hard lines. It's absolutely true. Here to A, and we get back to the interlude. Wa pa pa ooh, wa pa pa ooh. And pretty much after the interlude we go to another verse, another chorus, another interlude, another verse, another chorus, and this is how the song ends. Very quick tutorial for a very cool song. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments below which song should I show you next, and if you're subscribed, you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.